That's game.
A lot of robots shooting here in autonomous mode.
They also cross the midline and hit.
They cross.
Dealing with collisions, throws off the programming for sure.
Okay, so it's even.
It's even.
One
Don't
hit
touch.
for both sides.
I didn't know that was going to happen.
Don't worry, Tate. It cancels out. They hit us.
2, 1.
Sorry, I was.
One home man. You didn't even get it.
It's our
Chain's off!
chain's on. What the fuck?
Okay, slam against wall to, just slam against wall to intake.
Interesting storage mechanism here for Falcon Gold.
Slam it, just slam it.
It's actually not a lot of room within the robot to carry through with these big
I
artifacts.
can't give you guys
We can
balls.
get to, we can, if you line two
We're
up
gonna
in a
use
row.
the space here.
Am I human? I guess I'm human there.
Run Kano with their turn.
I believe.
Shooting from close distance. Dropping it in off the rim for the Blue Alliance with 4. Red Alliance still with 1. 5 for Blue. And 6. And 7. Nice shooting from the Falcon Gold robot.
Our whole gear fell off. Holy.
And the Falcons trying to dial in their speed. Using a flywheel shooter like many teams out here. They have speed and angle adjustment on the 8099 Hanford Falcon robot.
I can't change anything.
Blue Alliance playing with overflow now. They like their pattern, they're not going to dump the classifier.
Theo, just go far.
Robots jostling for position for the final shots.
Theo! I just go hard.
One final shot in the blue goal, 3 in for red.
Full. Let them get in full, drive forward
Getting
a bit.
parked and time. Nice driving team.